What is still YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another POV. We are finally in the M5 ski, man. We've been in the other car, the G87 M2, but today we are in the M5. It's about time we pop out in the M5 because we haven't popped out, bro. I miss this car so much, bro. Just driving it to the gas station, I remember like, dang, I love this car, bro. Little quick walk around, bro. We got carbon fiber front lip, carbon fiber grills, carbon fiber air duct vents, carbon fiber hood, the carbon fiber side skirts. It's like carbon fiber galore. I love carbon fiber, bro. I do want to get the carbon fenders, but I don't know how they're gonna look on this car and how the fitment gonna be. So we might get them, we might not. There's still so much more to come with this car, man. We got the carbon fiber diffuser back here. I don't rock the spoiler. I just, me personally, don't like it. But anyways, man, this is my 2023 M5 comp, bro. This thing is insane. We about to go ahead and go get some breakfast. Your boy has not ate all day, bro. Literally all day. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go get some breakfast. Check tire pressure. Don't worry about my tire pressure. You ain't driving. Oh wait, why I say low? Oh, my back tire at 31. It'll be all right, y'all. It'll be all right. It's getting cold outside and I never changed it, so I already know that's probably what it is. I already got the place. Let me see where it's at. I guess CarPlay don't want to work today, but it is what it is. We're going here. Oh, there you go. CarPlay. Boom. All right, let's go get some freaking breakfast, y'all. This place I'm about to go to, it's called Gut Busters. I'm not gonna lie, it's in the hood, so you got to keep your head on the swivel where we about to go. But y'all already know, Tez good. Tez is good, covered by the blood of Jesus Christ. So be straight. Let me turn that traction off too. Oh! Damn, he maxed it, dog. I just be trying to drive like a calm civilian, and they don't want to let me do that. They want me to drive crazy. I don't want to drive crazy. I want to drive like a normal human being. That's what I want to do. Man, I know y'all missed the M5. Y'all, I'm also thinking about getting rid of the steering wheel and putting the CS steering wheel in here. Tell me what y'all think about that. I like this steering wheel. It's cool, but we don't really do night POV, so it doesn't really, like, I don't know. But I would just get the CS style steering wheel. And plus, this Alcantara is starting to fade real bad. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is that a stroller? Oh, that's somebody's car. And they just left it on the curb. Hey, the tow trucks in Atlanta are so lazy, bro. If you tow a car, you have to take all the damaged parts. Wow. Let's get on this highway. My tire's not warmed up though, so I can't go too crazy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, stay still, A1 driving school. On the highway right there. Now that's how you merge on the highway right there. Oh my freaking goodness, dude. I hate being on the highway. It's like, it's maxed. I don't know. I hate the highway. I like back roads. I know we gotta get a back road session in. Go. To get off the highway, like this ain't a F90M5 that can get up there. Dog, I miss this freaking F90 so much, bro. And like, I know it be in my possession, but y'all gotta understand, bro, like, I be driving that G87. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That car's at like 2,800 miles. I just want to hear it. So it sounds so good. just wish, also, you know what I wish this car did? I wish it burbled that. Is that a Hyundai? Gang, I'm not cutting up with you. You got it. Your car's faster. You got it. I'm not cutting up with no Hyundai. I promise you that one. I wish this car burbled more. I know I can turn it up, but I don't really want to. As y'all can see, the tune's still not on the car, bro. What's going on, Tez? Why is the tune not on the car? Gotta do some data logging and some revisions, and I just haven't, bro. Data logging is so stupid. Like, it's not stupid, but it's like what got to be done. And I'm on a full tank, as you can see, so I can't even put no E in here. It was just like, it ain't even worth it. I don't know. I don't really care to have the tune, bro. Just be honest, bro. I don't care to be the fastest. I just care to have fun in the car. And this car is plenty fun with like little stock stage 1. Oh my goodness. What did they crash? What did they crash into? I should bully him, bro. Hit it. I dare you. I'm gonna bully you. Alright, I'm done. I'm done, y'all. I ain't gonna bully him no more. I wanted to. I ain't gonna bully him. But no, I wish I want this car to burble more in like 4th gear. Cause sometimes I'll be in 4th gear and I want to hear a little boom, 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 boom. But the burbles in my freaking G87 are insane. Like, actually. They maxing it. Oh, they maxing it. It's my exit. Y'all, I have took y'all here before. I'm about to show y'all the food, bro. This a whole, like, this a whole thing. I'm on my way to the city, so y'all about to rock out with me all the way down there. Are insane. Why does dog have his blinker on? Oh, hey, look who right there. Damn, I'm about to hit it from the light too. I ain't gonna lie. Why are you just sitting right there? That gotta be like cheating or something. Is this, like, are they doing something or they just sitting there? Lights on, nobody's home. I don't know what this guy's doing. I can't see over that big old truck, so I have to get up out of here. Not gonna lie to you, twin. This place we're going is called Gut Busters. And it sounds just how it sounds, because, bro, watch what, bro. Nice, no blinker. Oh, that was a cop. Oh, I ain't even mean to burble. I ain't even mean to. I guess they're about to go down because they got cops stationed. Oh no. Oh yeah, probably a funeral. Makes sense. R.I.P. Alright, y'all, it's right here. This boy is in the hood now. Don't judge a book by its cover though. Y'all know them hole in the wall spots really be the best. And this hole, that boy is jumping. That boy jumping like Mike. Hey, yeah. Bro, this parking lot is so small. Every move count. Every single move counting, small and broken up. I do have driver mod though, as y'all know. Alright, I gotta be on my P's and Q's, so I low-key can't take the camera in here. Just in case. But eating that gut busters real quick. Hold on. BRB. We got the food, we got the drink. It's the famous lemonade, the fruit punchy. You know what I'm saying? But this ain't food you could just eat in the car. You know what I'm saying? You gotta sit down and then eat some gut busters. You gotta sit down for gut busters. I ain't gonna lie. So we about to head to the city. Go ahead and probably just park up at the park real quick and eat. This really what I be doing. Hey, trolling NPC traffic be so fun, bro. Y'all know my highways. We don't be on that unless I get a run in, you know what I'm saying? Unless somebody want to race, then I did do it dirty. But bro, I cannot wait for y'all to see this food, bro. This food was finna smack. Oh, and I smell it already. I did. Yo, so I do have plans, bro, for like both cars. I just like, I don't know which one to focus on first. Like, cause the M5, truly, the M5 is not where I want the M5 to be. I want the M5 to be further along than what it is. Like, it's some stuff I just want to do and get done. But I don't know, bro. Y'all tell me, should we just focus on the M2 and just do the M2 up, or should we just full send this car and then full send the other car? I can't full send both cars at once, because what I want to do to both cars will require them to not drive for at least a week or longer, unless I can get the labor done like that. No, because some stuff I want to do, I can't even tell y'all, but some stuff I want to do, I can't even get it done. So I don't know, bro. Look at this. Y'all see my ooh, y'all don't know this extended leather, bro. Pay attention, bro. If y'all don't know about BMWs, when you look at somebody, if they need to have that extended leather, bro. Not that plasticky stuff that's in the M2. They need the extended leather package, bro. That's extended leather. You get that on the dash, on a little thing down here. You would tell somebody got extended leather. I'm not gonna lie. You'll be able to tell. Doing nothing. Speed limit is 60 though, so let me go ahead and get my little tail up out that lane. You maxed it. Hey, drive, bro. I'm about to make you drive now. Oh my goodness. Bro, I know y'all hate the highway POVs too. Really just be chilling. I be talking to y'all, filling y'all in, bro. That's all this really is. Bro, it is awesome being a dad, bro. Seeing my son reach little milestones. He's only 3 weeks old. 3 weeks old. Guess what he did yesterday? He grabbed the pacifier out his mouth, right? and was just holding it. And then he started crying and put the pacifier back in his mouth. The dude is independent. I don't know what to do, but I will say this. That dude poops so much. Like, I ain't trying to be nasty, bro. It's just a baby, bro. Y'all, like, no, you know what I'm saying? Dude will go to the bathroom at least 6 times a day, bro. If y'all don't see me buying car parts, it's because I'm buying diapers. Like, dude literally goes to the bathroom so freaking much, bro. I'm like, what is happening? Like, it don't even seem real as much as he go to the bathroom. That boy can go to the bathroom. I will say that. He will and can. And then he has this thing, right? So, bro, he sleeps all day. He'll sleep all day. And at midnight, he'll stay up. He'll just stay up for like 3 hours, 4 hours, and then go to sleep. And then it's all over again, bro. The man is silly, bro. I'm not gonna lie. My son is silly as heck. I love it though. And I wonder if he'd like my car. My girl, she won't let me put him in the M5, but it is what it is. One day he'll be in the M5, just not today. You know what I'm saying? And that's cool. I just want my boy in the M5. He gotta hear that M5 roar and grumble before like he turn a certain age. I want him to know that sound. I want him to know the sound of the M5. So like when I'm pulling up to the house, I'm like, oh yeah, I know who that is. I wigged out. I was supposed to get off the exit up there. I wigged out. I'm so used to going this way. Oh my goodness. I'm not getting back in that traffic. I'll tell you that right now. Tunnel pull. Oh my goodness. And I be shifting early. And I'll be shifting early. Oh, he wanted to get over? Yeah, I don't know what you thought this was, Trey. He thought, hey, he put his hand out like I was gonna stop. Bro, can I get this on this? I hate when it's on the, there you go. Oh, this is where all the homeless people be sleeping. Like at nighttime, and I be coming through here like booming it. Hold on. Oh my goodness. This car is insane. This car is literally insane, bro. First we go. First, hold on. First we go shrimp and grits. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Then we go beef, not pork, and potatoes. I'm about to crowd about water, y'all. I'll tap back in. All right, y'all, we finished up the food, man. It is all gone. This is gonna be the end of the POV. It was kind of calm, kind of chill, but I got another banger for y'all tomorrow, so stay tuned. Peace.